It was a sunny afternoon in sunny Spice Town. Birds chirped, sprinklers clicked, and the smell of baked bread wafted through the neighborhood. Benny sat on the porch steps of his house, frowning at a half-eaten peanut butter sandwich. Just then, Lola peeked over the fence, her cheeks smudged with flour. "Still hungry, Benny?" Benny sighed. "There's nothing fun to eat. Everything's boring. I want something exciting, but I don't know what." Lola's eyes lit up. "Perfect. Let's make burritos." "Burritos?" Benny tilted his head. "Is that some kind of bug?" Lola laughed. "No. It's a warm tortilla wrapped around your favorite fillings: rice, beans, chicken, veggies, cheese, anything." Benny scrunched his nose. "What if I don't like it?" "You never know until you try," a calm voice replied. It was Tommy, walking over with his trusty recipe notebook and a chef's hat slightly too big for his head. Rita zipped past on her scooter and skidded to a stop. "Did someone say burritos?" "I'm in." "I'll bring the rainbow salsa I made with my grandma." "Rainbow salsa?" Benny's eyes widened. "Yep," Rita grinned. "It has red tomatoes, yellow corn, green peppers, purple onions, and magic." "Magic?" Benny asked. "Wow, chili flakes." "Same thing," she winked. The four friends set up a cooking station in Lola's backyard. A picnic table became the prep counter, and a nearby grill served as their warming station. Tommy laid out ingredients like a general preparing for battle: cooked white and brown rice, grilled chicken strips, seasoned black beans. Lola handed out aprons. "Benny, you'll be the taste tester," she declared. "I like the sound of that," Benny grinned. "Let's start by warming our tortillas," said Tommy, placing one carefully on a warm skillet. The tortilla puffed slightly, soft and toasty. Lola added, "Now for the fun part, making your burrito your way." Rita jumped right in. "I'm doing the color-burst burrito: rainbow salsa, black beans, rice, avocado, and corn." She wrapped it like a pro and took a big bite. Spicy sunshine in a tortilla." Tommy calmly built his with perfect layers. "Mine's the balanced burrito. Equal parts protein, grains, and veggies." He even placed a lime wedge on top like a garnish. Lola giggled and created the twist burrito: rice, cheese, grilled chicken, and chopped apples. Then came Benny's turn. He stood in front of the ingredients, hands on hips, brow furrowed. "I'll just take rice and cheese. No veggies." Tommy nodded. "Good start. But maybe one tiny piece of tomato." Benny hesitated. "Okay, just one." Lola leaned in. "Want to try some salsa?" Benny sniffed it. "Smells weird, but okay. Just a dab." Rita clapped. "That's the spirit." Benny slowly rolled up his burrito, with a few wrinkles, and took a small bite. His eyes went wide. "Whoa! This is really good." "See?" Tommy smiled. "Trying new things can be the best surprise. And it's more fun when you do it together," Lola added. Rita tossed her napkin in the air. "We should open a burrito stand. Call it the Four Flavor Friends." Benny laughed. "Can I be the chief taste tester?" Everyone cheered. They sat in the backyard under a tree, burritos in hand, bellies full and hearts happy. As they cleaned up, Benny turned to his friends. "You know, I almost missed out on something amazing just because I was afraid to try. From now on, I'm going to be braver." Tommy nodded. "That's how you grow." Lola said, and next time, we try something new, like taco cupcakes. Rita jumped up. With rainbow salsa frosting. Everyone laughed. The 3 tasty lessons Benny learned. 1. Trying new things isn't scary, it can be delicious. 2. Cooking with friends makes food more fun. 3. You can make something special by adding your own twist. From that day on, every Saturday became Burrito Bonanza Day, and Benny made sure to try at least one new ingredient every time. And sometimes, just sometimes, he even added extra salsa. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.